and welcome back to another video on addition. And first, I will give you the answers to the previous day's worksheet. And children, before we start this video, it is a kind request to please like my videos and subscribe to my channel, because there are many children who are watching my videos but are not subscribing to my channel. So here are your answers. In the first one, you have to add. So 94 plus 2 is 96. Like I always tell you, you will have to first add the ones column and then move on to the tens column. In the next one, 65 plus 4 is equals to 69. 40 plus 42 is 56. And 7 plus 32 is equals to 39. In the next sum, there are 21 boys and 15 girls in a class. How many students are there in the class? So first you have to write the number of boys, that is 21, and then you will have to write the number of girls, that is 15. So when you have to find the total number of students, it means you have to add the total number of boys and the total number of girls. So 21 plus 15 is equals to 36. Again, as usual, I have said, first you will add the ones column. So 5 plus 1 is 6. And then you will add the tens column, that is 2 plus 1 is 3. So there are 36 students in the class. In the next sum, there are 12 pencils in one box and 15 pencils in another box. How many pencils are there in all? So number of pencils in one box equals to 12. Number of pencils in another box is equals to 15. So first add up the ones column. So 2 plus 5 is equals to 7 and 1 plus 1 is 2. So 12 plus 15 is equals to 27. So there are 27 pencils in all. So children, I hope you have got your answers correct. So now let us continue. So children, here is a worksheet for your practice where you will have to add the following numbers. 71 plus 25, 43 plus 51, 55 plus 32, 24 plus 23. In the next sum, you can see the number line is given. So you will have to use the number line and add 23 plus 12. And in the next sum, Mary had 2 sandwiches and 6 grapes in her lunch box. How much food did she have in her lunch box? So complete this worksheet and I will give you the answers in a while. Children, here are your answers. In the first one, 71 plus 25, like I always say, first add the ones column. So 1 plus 5 is 6 and 7 plus 2 is 9. So 71 plus 25 is 96. In 43 plus 51, 3 plus 1 is 4 and 4 plus 5 is 9. So 43 plus 51 is equals to 94. 55 plus 32 is 87 and 24 plus 23 is 47. In the next sum, using the number line, you will have to add 23 plus 12. So when you stand on 23 and you hop 12 times, you reach on number 35. So 23 plus 12 is equals to 35. In the story sum, Mary had 2 sandwiches and 6 grapes in her lunchbox. So number of sandwiches equals to 2 and number of grapes is equals to 6. So 2 plus 6 is equals to 8. So Mary has 8 food in her lunchbox. So here is a worksheet similar to the worksheet we just did previously, where you will have to add the sums using the number line, solve the addition and also do the story sum. So you will complete this worksheet for your homework and I will give you the answer in my next video. So see you in my next video and bye for now.